Hello everyone, and the RBA will be raising rates this afternoon. I could have been outside the RBA building, but I thought it'd be much more fun to sort of walk around this area of Sydney. The RBA is just up the street, and of course they're having their morning tea still probably with their quaint little teacups. But they will be hiking interest rates most probably by 50 points. Now that's not a surprise to anyone. Some people think it could be as high as 65, but I think it will be a 50-point rate hike. I think probably what people aren't appreciating is that there'll be another 50 points at the next RBA meeting. So it's not a situation where it's game over or look across the valley as yet. And one of the big things people really aren't getting is that this is still stimulatory levels of interest rates. In other words, we haven't even begun to fight inflation. Interest rate settings at these levels is still stimulating the economy, still fueling inflation. So the angle I'm suggesting to you really need to appreciate on this RBA rate hike is that RBA rates need to get to 4.5%, maybe even 5% to be break even, to be break even against inflation, to actually reduce inflation. Until that happens, it really is a situation in Australia that inflation is out of control. It's going to be heading a lot higher. Petrol prices peaking momentarily, at least, perhaps in the medium term. That doesn't mean the inflation surge is complete yet. So inflation will be going higher, rates will be going a lot higher, and the recent rally in equity markets may not last all that much longer. Thanks very much. Live it better.